Ferrari brings back the soft top on the 2024 Roma Spider. For the first time since the 1969 365 GTS/4, a front-engine Ferrari will feature a fabric top. Today Ferrari revealed the Roma Spider, chopping the roof off its elegant V8-powered coupe and replacing it with a retractable soft top. The Roma Spider replaces the Portofino M in Ferrari's lineup, as reported by our friends over at Road and Track. Luckily, Ferrari left the exterior mostly unchanged, with the Roma Spider retaining the long hood and smooth curves of its coupe sibling. The soft top can be erected in just 13.5 seconds at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, and is constructed using special multi-layer fabric weaves. The active rear spoiler was redesigned and recalibrated for roofless driving, with 3 positions that increase downforce the faster you drive. Ferrari also reinforced the rear of the chassis, and claims that the Roma Spider is only 185 pounds heavier than the coupe. The cabin features the same sophisticated look as the original Roma, with an 8.4-inch vertical screen and a metal gear selector plate surrounded by luscious leather and faux suede. Ferrari says the steering wheel buttons have been revised for easier use and the start button now glows red. Ferrari paid attention to reducing wind noise and turbulence with the top down, with a 5mm aerodynamic element added to the top of the windshield and a wind deflector that pops up by rotating the backrest of the rear seats at the push of a button. This cannot be opened with rear passengers in place, but given the tight quarters in the back of the Roma, we imagine this will rarely be an issue. The Roma Spider's heart is unchanged, with the turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 still pumping out a massive 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque, sending it through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic to the rear wheels. Ferrari touts minor changes to the gearbox which improve fuel efficiency, and the Roma Spider comes with the latest version of the slide-slip control system which manages traction and stability control and allows for predictable drifts. Despite the prodigious power, the Roma Spider is more of a cruiser than a track weapon, and comes with plenty of amenities like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and 18-way power-adjustable heated seats, with the option to add a neck warmer if you want to keep the top down in cooler climates. No pricing for the Roma Spider was provided, but we estimate that it will start around $280,000, compared to the $247,310 base price for the coupe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.